A 16-inch gaming laptop from ASUS ROG Strix G. Let's take a look. Has one seal. Okay. The packaging is pretty nice. Has a handlebar on top. Well, look at that. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see more details of the unboxing. Oh, the box design is clever. Opens up like a drawer and lift up the laptop. Cool experience. There are more accessories inside. Says intelligent cooling, seriously cool, surprisingly quiet. 15 degrees Celsius to lower CPU temperature. Oh, very well packaged. I feel like the top is probably metal, aluminum. Truly silent. Let's remove this marketing material. A protective cloth. Let's see what else in this package. A power brick and a 3-prong AC cord. A round barrel connector. And zoom out a little bit more. Let's connect the power first. Cable management is included. We got 2 USB-A ports on this side. I'm going to zoom in again and plug in the power. Let's take an overview of the ports. Nothing in the back, just a large vent. Then plug in the power supply. RJ45 Ethernet port. Got RJ45 Ethernet, HDMI input, and 2 USB-C ports. I wonder, yeah, looks like the other one, the first one, is can take in power too. I'll zoom in a bit more so maybe you can see these ports. Headphone jack. Okay, let's power on. Very cool. I like the top, the feel of the top. There's a piece of protrusion, so you can open it up with one hand. I think there's more stuff in here. Warranty, and guess user manual, HDMI. Shows the keyboard layout. Maybe it needs to be recharged a little bit more. Okay, yeah, that's everything included. There's no additional accessories, just a power strip. Just a power strip and a laptop. Yeah, I'll just wait for it to charge. Yeah, that's the ROG Strix. Has RGB lights all around it. Let me turn off the light, maybe you can see better. Yeah, has breathing RGB lights in front, nothing in the back, but the keyboard is nice. It's illuminated. Large trackpad, Feels cool. Yeah, it actually feels pretty cold. And some, whoa, it's on. The speakers sounds fantastic. It's booting up for the first time. Whoa, this thing is cool, man. I like it. All right, thank you very much for watching. That's a quick unboxing of the ROG Strix. Now I think the Windows 11, whatever, needs to run first before we can move on. I'll keep you guys updated.